Welcome back to TNA Auto Reviews, where the most influential machines in automotive history are brought back to life through detailed storytelling. Today, we're taking a deep journey into one of the most important cars ever built, a vehicle that didn't just change the auto industry, but changed the world itself. This is the legendary 1927 Ford Model A. The Ford Model A arrived at a critical moment in history. By the mid-1920s, Henry Ford's earlier creation, the Model T, had dominated roads across the globe. But times were changing. People wanted more comfort, better performance, improved styling, and modern engineering. Ford understood that to stay ahead, they needed a completely new car, not an evolution, but a replacement. The result was the Model A, introduced in 1927 as a bold step forward into a new automotive era. From the outside, the Model A immediately felt more refined than its predecessor. It featured cleaner lines, improved proportions, and a more confident presence. Unlike the Model T's basic and utilitarian look, the Model A offered multiple body styles, including sedans, coupes, roadsters, and pickup trucks. Buyers could finally choose a car that suited both their needs and their personality. This flexibility helped make the Model A appealing to families, farmers, businessmen, and city drivers alike. Under the hood, the Model A introduced a major upgrade. It was powered by a 3.3-liter inline four-cylinder engine producing around 40 horsepower, nearly double the output of the Model T. This allowed the car to reach speeds of up to 65 miles per hour, which was impressive for the late 1920s. More importantly, the Model A featured a modern 3-speed manual transmission and improved braking, making it easier and safer to drive. For many people, this was their first experience of a car that felt smooth, predictable, and truly capable on longer journeys. The interior of the Model A reflected Ford's growing understanding of comfort and usability. The cabin offered better seating, clearer gauges, improved visibility, and a quieter ride. While still simple by modern standards, it felt like a serious upgrade for drivers of the time. Small details, such as better controls and more refined materials, made daily driving more pleasant and less tiring. What truly set the Ford Model A apart was how it was built and sold. Ford revolutionized mass production, using assembly line efficiency to produce over 4 million Model A vehicles in just a few years. This made the car affordable for ordinary people, bringing personal transportation within reach of millions. Roads expanded, cities grew, and entire industries developed around the automobile. The Model A wasn't just transportation, it was freedom. The impact of the Model A extended far beyond America. It was exported worldwide, assembled in multiple countries, and became a global symbol of progress. Farmers used it to transport goods, families used it to explore new places, and businesses relied on it for daily operations. It played a major role in shaping modern society, connecting people and communities like never before. Even during the challenges of the Great Depression, the Model A remained a trusted companion. Its reliability, simplicity, and ease of repair made it invaluable during difficult times. Owners could fix it themselves, modify it, and keep it running for years. This durability helped cement its reputation as one of the toughest and most dependable cars ever built. Today, the 1927 Ford Model A is one of the most beloved classic cars in the world. It's a favorite among collectors, restorers, and historians because it represents more than nostalgia. It represents innovation, resilience, and the beginning of modern motoring. Seeing one on the road or at a car show is like watching history move in real time. At TNA Auto Reviews, we view the Ford Model A not just as a classic automobile, but as a turning point in human mobility. It proved that cars could be reliable, affordable, and accessible to everyday people. Its influence can still be felt in the vehicles we drive today. That was the story of the 1927 Ford Model A, a machine that didn't just carry passengers, it carried the world forward. Thank you for watching TNA Auto Reviews. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more legendary vehicles and the stories that shaped automotive history.